Hey guys, Todd with Great Escape Farms here. Today I am preparing my bed for 60 strawberry plants that will be coming in either this week or next week. So I have them lined off where they're going to be, which is they're high bush blueberries, and I did the absolute minimum space requirements between them, which is 3 foot away from each other from side to side, and 5 foot for the rows. So you can see here everything is 3 foot, and then I have, this is one row right here where the white is, so I have 5 foot there, and then I start with the next one over there. So that gives me my minimum requirements. I put down, I had I think it was 10 or 15 yards of mulch from down the road. It's about a year old, so it's already started to decompose a little bit. So I grabbed some cardboard, wet it, I laid it down, I wet it on both sides, I laid it down, I had all the tape and staples and stuff like that out, laid it on the ground. That should kill the grass. Then I put the about a foot or so of mulch on top of it, and then I put the stakes, measured everything out here. And what I'm going to do now is where the individual markers are, I'm going to pull the mulch aside, and I'm going to go ahead and add the soil. So what I have here is coffee. My daughter works at a local coffee house, so she's been saving grinds for me. So coffee grinds, peat moss, which I know is not done sustainably, but I need the peat moss for the acidity that the blueberries want. So I'm going to put that in, and I have potting mix, and I know that Miracle Grow, it is not what I really want, but my only other choice is a minimum of 45 minutes one way away. So that's just from the local source. So I'm going to go with a mix of potting mix, peat moss, and coffee, and each hole will get 1 bucket full of that. And if I could put in more, I would love to, but just because I'm going with 60 of them, I don't know that I'd be able to do any more than that. So that's what the plan is. Let me get started. So I mixed everything up. I loaded it in the bucket. What I'm doing is I'm pulling the mulch aside. I'll show you that in a second. And then I'm dumping it in. Right now I'm leaving the mulch out. I'm going to go ahead and spray it down with some water via the hose in a moment. And then I'll lightly cover it with some mulch. So actually, this is a bucket I already have pre-filled. I just pulled some mulch aside here down to the cardboard, wet cardboard itself. I'll go ahead and dump it in. And the roots will go right through that cardboard and not have an issue. And I just kind of level it out here. And then, like I say, I'm going to go ahead and put water on it and then cover it lightly with mulch. And it's all set for the blueberry arrival. Well, it's April 19th and half of the blueberries have arrived. And I have them in the ground. You can see this one right here. Not huge, but for what, $2.35 each wholesale. If you buy the quantity large enough, hopefully they will get big. I've planted them that big before and had them producing within a year or two. So 30 in, still waiting on 30. Well, this is May 19th, so we are 30 days since my last segment of this video, and things haven't changed much. So we are still waiting on the other 30 plants to arrive. And I am going to go ahead and wrap this video up just because I'm not sure when the other ones are going to come, and I want to get this posted. But I will point out these plants, some of them have more than doubled in size and just looking great. I even have some with some flowers and some fruit coming on them already. So I'm just amazed at how well these things are growing and taking off in here. And they are certainly benefiting from a beautiful spring weather here and looking great. So that's it for this video. I will give an update on this blueberry patch in future videos over the course of the next year or so, and you can see how it's coming along. But for now, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel so you can follow our updates to our videos, or you can subscribe to our Odyssey channel, which is another video channel out there, and you actually follow on that versus subscribe. And you can check out our website, greatescapefarms.com. So again, that's it for this video. Thank you very much, and have a great day.